Whenever there's fruit in the house, whether it's like a papaya or a mango peel, I try to take a little bit of that and apply it to my face.
Use your mother's saris to make jackets, quilts, so that we reuse fabric, because fashion is one of the most wasteful industries in the world.
I love using fruit peels on my face. I actually, whenever there's fruit in the house, whether it's like a papaya or a mango peel, I try to take a little bit of that and apply it to my face. It's a lovely vitamin mask for your face.
Of course, is hydration, sunblock, and I would say that whatever you're eating, like if you're eating, say, a pear or a tomato, put it on your face, because what your insides need, your outsides can do with as well.
You know, most of us, I think what we don't do, because we are just waiting to apply things. I think the most important thing is that your skin should be clean. So once you are wearing makeup, or end of the day, you should always make sure that your face or skin is absolutely clean, whether you're using a cleaning solution or napkins or face wash, whatever it is, just take out all the makeup that is in your skin. I think that's the first most important thing, and then moisturize it well. I think you don't need any third thing. Water obviously helps clearing skin a lot. So just like natural ways of getting around skin is my mantra to a good skin.
I don't let the clothes wear me, I wear the clothes. So it has to be about me, not about the clothes.
I believe there is one intersection which is comfortable and stylish. I try and arrive at that point, though sometimes it's more stylish than comfortable, because you know your team wants you to get into certain clothes, certain brands. But I try to be comfortable as much as I can.
I would say my style is more comfortable glam, because I wouldn't wear anything which is in fashion in which I'm not comfortable in. So I would make sure, and I kind of mix and match and do my own fashion. So I never follow anything, I just follow my heart.
Very simple. If you're not wearing something for some time, give it away. Someone else can wear it. There's a lot of thrifting happening. There's a lot of second-hand stores. Buy stuff from there and recycle, upcycle. Use your mother's saris to make jackets, quilts, so that we reuse fabric, because fashion is one of the most wasteful industries in the world. So we can reduce carbon footprint.
You know, sustainable living is something that I really thoroughly follow. And in fact, my entire circle, we follow sustainable living, and including, you know, like we are not only, you know, so the clothes that, you know, whether we have, we are not like stocking it up, we are not hoarding on clothes, we just pass it around. There are so many brands who are, there are in fact some sites which are, you know, they take the clothes and they are just selling it off to people, and or just giving it off to people. So we do, I believe in that, and that's how my wardrobe is now. You know, I'm not like really buying things, I'm just kind of reusing. And a lot of people in my circle, this is how we are doing. We're just like passing clothes which we are not using, and just being very, very careful about what we are spending on, or, you know, where it's coming from. I think ethical buying is also very important now. You know, everybody is becoming very environment conscious, which is very important. And especially I feel as leaders, you should always set an example, you know, because I speak on sustainability and tell people that, you know, how important it is to leave something for our future generations. So definitely you have to practice before you preach. So I think it's keds, you know, wearing keds. I think it's very underrated. People think it's casual, but you have like such amazing keds. Like if I have to wear anything, even like right now, not wear my stilettos and wear keds, I would opt for keds. They're very underrated. It's super comfortable. It's really, you can make it really funky, you can make it really hip, and it's like so cool.